I'm sure you've heard by now of the opinion of the United States Supreme Court that's been leaked indicating that there are 5 justices willing to vote to reverse Roe v. Wade and Planned Parenthood versus Casey. There are several important things about this, one of which is the question we all need to be talking about a little bit beyond the pro-life question, is the institutional integrity of the court and really society's respect for and appreciation of institutions in general. But for now, I want to focus on the effect of the decision and what it did and did not do. We can all rejoice that Roe versus Wade and Planned Parenthood versus Casey is being reversed. But we need to appreciate that all the court really did was shift the venue, the locale of the policy regarding abortion from the Supreme Court to either Congress or the states. Congress through Section 5 of the 14th Amendment, which gives it the power to enforce by statutes the provisions and the rights of the 14th Amendment, or to the states. The reason we need to appreciate that it's not just returning the issue to the states, but possibly to Congress, is that the court never discussed what constitutes a person. Now let me give you a quick example of that. State passes a leash law and a muzzle law for dogs and says you can't have a dog outside your house without a leash and a muzzle. You could sue and say this violates the 14th Amendment right to liberty. And the court would say, you're right, it violates liberty. The dog can't bark, the dog can't go where he wants to go, but a dog is just not a person. So the 14th Amendment doesn't apply. In other words, we still don't know what a person is, and therefore it's up to either Congress or the states to define what a person is. Ultimately, I hope the Christian community will understand that while this is progress, until we return to the court's jurisprudence, a right understanding of what it means to be a person, we will still have decisions like Obergefell and decisions that treat transgenderism as a constitutionally protected liberty right of persons. So it's a great victory, but let's not lose the point that the court did not address the first and fundamental question of who is a person.